traditional waterfall. The waterfall is about 16 kilometers in the city of Milton, Brandão. It has a typical Cachoeira vegetation of the Cachoeira and can be considered the only waterfall in the region with permanent water. Has a waterfall with approximately 12 meters height. It's one of the most beautiful places in the city. The waterfall of the walnut tree got its name due to its location. It is in the waterfall community. Is a place with great tourist potential, perfect for adventurers and nature lovers.